Hello, today we are going to take a look at putting some meta text on a video by using Python script. But first, what's the meta? Of course, as you know, I call myself meta person. The metadata is the frame number or frame time, something like this or this. When I edit videos with my family, I use metadata. The first step of editing is that making one long preview video having metadata. Then show my family it and let them pick the scene they like. My boy and wife give me the time of the scenes. This way, it makes me a bit easier to edit the videos that all my family will be happy with. In fact, we already have the way to override the metadata without scripting. There is the metadata section in the Properties window. Select the metadata items which we want to override and then simply check up the Burn into Image. Then we will see the metadata on the video like this. Okay, the next. Let's start today's topic. This is the script we will be using today. Today, we are just using this add-on, and about the coding, we will be taking a look at this script more in the next video. First, we need to install this script, and then check out the box to activate it. Now, we are ready to do it. Add a text strip on our video like this and modify the showing ways and change the location of this text strip. After doing this, change the name of this text strip into @meta.frame exactly. You have to change the name of the strip, not the text. It is important. Next, add another text strip and modify showing way also and change the location also. And then change the name into @meta.time also exactly. That's all. When we change the frame, we will see the metadata of our own build by using Python script. Do you feel this video has the time shot? I am making this video to improve my English speaking. Actually, as you can see, I'm not a mother tongue English, so it is a lot of time to make these videos. Until the last video, it was so difficult and so painful for me. So from now on, I'm going to try to make this video less long and much shorter. Because I'm not good at English speaking enough, I did make this video into small and shortcut. Please understand me generously. In the next video, we will cover the coding of the script we were using today. Then, see you next time. Bye.